Will trillions of Shiba Inu be burnt when Shibarium launches? That's the big question that we're going to unpack in this video. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Zach. Make sure you guys are subscribed right here to this channel if you like daily crypto content. We're here every single day for you, pumping out content, keeping you up to speed, keeping you informed on what's going on. Now, we have word that when Shibarium does launch, that it will burn Shiba Inu on every single transaction. So that begs the question, does that mean we can burn trillions of Shiba Inu in the process in a short amount of time, let's say in a 12-month time frame? If so, this is massive for Shiba Inu, and obviously it will play a huge role in reducing the overall supply and also enhancing the price of Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu hodler tweeted that staggering sums of SHIB will be removed from circulation once Shibarium kicks off. These sums can extend to trillions of coins. Now, this is not an official member of the SHIB dev team, but SHIB hodler says SHIB will be burning trillions of coins when Shibarium is launched. This has been announced and said by a couple members from the Shiba Inu Discord. However, nothing has been solidified just yet on how this will look. Now, Shibarium is the long-awaited and anticipated Layer 2 scaling solution for the Ethereum chain on which SHIB network runs, which will allow users to make many more transactions without hitting a snag of congestion. Transaction fees on Shibarium will be paid with Bone token, which has been performing nicely here in recent weeks. Part of these fees will be converted into SHIB tokens and removed from circulation for good by getting burned, i.e. locked in unsuspendable wallets by Shibarium developers. A similar scheme at the moment is working for Baby Doge. Baby Doge developers started burning transaction fees and buybacks of Baby Doge back on December 1st, removing billions of the tokens from the circulating supply. Right now, about 500 million SHIB were burned in the past week. That is according to data from SHIB Burn Tracker. But what if we can enhance that? What if we can boost that up to trillions of Shiba Inu? That could have drastic impacts, and I mean drastic impacts on the overall price. Speaking of the price of Shiba Inu right now, we're sitting here at the 889 level, up about 5%. The entire crypto market has been climbing here in recent days, which is great to see. Now, if we go over and check out Bone, that's really the one that has been moving significantly here. Bone sitting at $1.15. This is exactly where we've been a couple different times where we've dialed back from here. We'll see if we can break through this. But in the last month, you could see Bone has come all the way from 69 cents all the way up to $1.15 as Bone edges closer toward that top 100, sitting at number 123. So a lot of things happening. We're going to be watching this closely. As soon as the details are released, we'll know just about how much SHIB we could burn by utilizing Shibarium on a daily basis. So very much looking forward to the future here of Shibarium. A lot of great, exciting things happening with inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem, including this burn mechanism. Looking forward to covering it right here on the channel for you. And make sure you're staying locked in. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video, guys.